The term human-machine interface, HMI, refers to a dashboard or screen used to control machinery. A load cell is a sort of transducer that converts force into a measurable electrical output. LVDT, it can be utilized to provide accurate stroke control for the machine.
PLC control panels are growing capability and machine or process optimizations across the globe. Switchgears, we use switchgears from ABB, Siemens, and Omron. Gear mechanism, which operates as a mechanical lock on the press machine. Proportional valve, adjusts pressure in accordance to input current, which is used to ignore man-made errors. Lubricating oil pumps are used to supply oil to lubrication points. In the case of circulation lubrication, the lubricating oil pump takes in an amount of oil from a reservoir, forces it through the lubrication points and then feeds it back to the reservoir. A light curtain is a safety device. When an object or person enters the protected area and interrupts one or more off-light beams, the receiver detects the interruption and sends a signal to the control unit.